Okay, so if you do like coffee, you can go ahead and skip for this video. And also, this video was inspired by this YouTuber, so subscribe to him. Okay, now let's go.
I got a question. You need water? Alright. What's the capital of France? It's Paris.
Okay, what is the cow make? Okay, you just spit out a lung. Okay, not creepy, you just spit out a lung. Hey, it's me, it's coffee tea. Okay, but why does the door look so uptight? Why do you not let her sleep? I stopped coughing. Give me a braid. I love stealing braids.